Interest rates are historically low, but expected to rise substantially in 2017, if not sooner. And home prices are selling at the highest prices in a decade, but are expected to level off in 2017. So, I think it's pretty obvious that renters should become buyers as soon as possible. It's actually cheaper to buy rather than rent. But what you really should want is for the following concepts to work for you too. Here's what every homeowner really needs to think about. Should you decide to take action on the amount of equity in your home? Equity is your cash in hand when you sell your home, and that's what my offer to you is. A free FMV, fair market value, which means an estimate for your home equity, and my offer comes with absolutely no obligation. I'm giving you the concrete information I call financial food for thought to help you make a decision in the two following areas. Two big choices. If you need more room, either house or yard or both. If you want a bigger, better home, better neighborhood, school district, parks, etc., with a bonus of maybe no flood insurance required or homeowner association fees. Or do you stay and improve and use the equity in your own home to add on some rooms or add a pool or whatever? That's if you have personal reasons to want to stay where you are. You can consider refinancing. One choice is to simply reduce your payments, or do you change to a 15-year mortgage? In any event, you should consider paying off all bad debt, which is credit cards, card payments, etc. Now, with my 30 years experience in real estate and trained in both tax preparation and investment strategies, it makes me uniquely qualified to advise you in these concepts. My financial planning career has led me to help hundreds of families make the most important decisions about their single biggest asset, their home equity. And you don't want to take these decisions lightly. Using tax-free advantages and a concept called leverage, which may increase your future equity 5 times faster than it is today. I've actually had clients go from $100,000 in expected equity to over $500,000 using these techniques. This is your net worth we're talking about, your potential retirement plan and more. No, not something you want to take lightly. So this is your call to action. Act today to take advantage of the tremendous opportunities available with favorable tax laws and current low interest rates. Simply log on the button on this page titled Sellers, or call me at 238-MIKE, which is 305-238-6453. Thanks, and have a great day.